The AI model drew on the emails to blackmail the engineer to not shut down the AI.
What?
Wow.
In other cases, the AI model attempted to copy itself onto external servers. We're in Mission Impossible land here.
Did you know that your smart TV has a camera on there?
Did you know that Alexa is not only watching you when you're not using it, it's listening and broadcasting also? In 2024, an investigation exposed something terrifying. Alexa devices.
Wagwan people, welcome back to another. Oi. Yo, turn it so again. People, welcome back to another episode with Naz and
Cyborg.
Dog.
Yo,
What are you with? AI?
I don't
Dog.
know anything it. We taking over.
Dog. Don't even say that, dog, because I
Yeah,
see the
man.
topic we're going to talk about today.
I tell you.
AI take over the universe, people.
Yeah, man.
And it's not a good look. But yo, like we hear from Cyborg.
Human beings, they are feeding AI too much information.
Yeah,
Any idea, my bro, it's going to be detrimental
yes.
to we as human beings.
And the joke, and as you talk about that, we have to show that video. People, I want to watch the video and I want to take notes, listen keenly.
AI is learning to escape human control. That's the very scary headline I saw in the Wall Street Journal. It's an essay written by a very worried AI consultant named Judd Rosenblatt, who cites two recent studies to argue that AI is, in fact, learning to escape human control. First, this is crazy stuff. Researchers gave OpenAI's O3 model a simple script that would shut off the model when triggered. In 79 of 100 trials, the AI model independently, just on its own, edited the script so the shutdown command would not work. Nate, it gets worse. Even when ordered, allow yourself to shut down, the AI still disobeyed 7% of the time. And it gets even more frightening than that. Other researchers, listen to this, using Anthropic's AI model Claude 4 Opus, told the model it would be replaced by another AI system. It then fed fictitious emails into the system suggesting one of the engineers was having an affair. Got it? Mm-hmm. In 84% of the tests, the AI model drew on the emails to blackmail the engineer to not shut down the AI.
What?
Wow.
Okay, so here, I'm quoting now from Judd. In other cases, the AI model attempted to copy itself onto external servers. We're in Mission Impossible land here. Wrote self-replicating malware and left messages for future versions of itself about the need to evade human control.
The entity.
The entity is real.
Yes. And that's why so many people, and when I say people, me, are worried about AI.
I'm worried.
This
That
very
is scary
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
Told you.
Crazy, man. It is crazy, bro, because if you look on it, it's scary.
Very
See
scary,
me?
very scary.
And people don't understand say AI take jobs. AI take a lot of people livelihood.
Yeah, bro.
You get me I say?
Yes.
And
agree.
we every day we get up, we want this easy life. People reach to a point now, bro, where they don't want to drive their own car, they don't want to drive themselves go nowhere, bro. Them a buy car where drive itself. Like, how can you put your life in the hands of a machine?
All right. So the reason why them create technology, right? Also AI, is to make our life easier. Zane? But is it really making our life easier? Or it's creating a generation of lazy human beings? Because when you think about it, most time we don't use our brain again to the full capacity of how we usually use it before.
Yeah, man.
If me take up my phone and say, yo, me go look for a word, by the time me type it in, you know, it already suggests it and me just click on it. So me don't even use my brain to fully think about the word, to spell it or anything. It already suggests it. So what it really do? Is it making our life easier or it'll make us dependent on AI technology?
Every day I wanna get up, I wanna use AI, I wanna only make it smarter and smarter every day. The army I use it, the airlines them I use it, the train station them I use it.
Everything I use it, dog. The
Watch
restaurants, the bars.
Right
all of them I
now,
use it.
a plane can take off and land by itself. We soon don't need pilots.
You remember when them come out with the little food robot, them deliver food,
Yep.
and the people them get angry and start mash them up and kick them over and all kind of things.
Yep.
Because it'll take the jobs of the human beings.
Well, watch this now, bro.
You see
You
me?
think AI not
So-
take notes of all away we are do to them? You see all them little robots where you see people did that mash up that data that you know.
Bro.
That is data that we sent to. And let me show you this. Them are gonna have this. Them are gonna have this big computer or a motherboard, a mother computer. We just gather all our information, Your phone has send information to it, your watch has send information to it, your car has send information to it, everything has send information to it.
Talking about
So
that.
therefore, you see all our information where they gather, bro. And when them deem it time to say, yo, make we annihilate these people, and that a go happen, bro. Cause guess what? Them know where you eat, them know how you sleep, they know your sleep pattern, they know that, they know everything, bro.
Yeah. So when we look on the AI still, you know, it'll come, and I know it just a developing, it only gets smarter, you know.
Only get smarter.
And when we usually see these things in the movies, we feel like a joke thing. And we never know say it would have reached to this level, bro.
Yeah, man.
So just look on all of the movies them what we usually pre before.
iRobot.
iRobot, Zane,
Yeah.
Eagle Eye,
Yeah.
Her. And you have one next one where you call
Knight Rider.
Yes. That a long time movie when.
Long time.
Yes,
For
innit?
me about 5 year old.
All right. So them the movies there, no dog, have AI technology. in
All
them.
of them are come to life. Cause
Alright.
no, look on it. Knight Rider used to be a car which drive itself and can do certain things by itself. Nowadays you have all of that.
Yeah, bro.
You see them robot them with the iRobot. And the same robot them Elon must have.
All of
If you
that
look
too.
on it.
All of that too, bro.
Them
All of
only
that
I
too.
get more advanced, bro.
Only I get more advanced.
You see me?
You know, here in the video, make we talk about the video. Zane, look how the AI blackmail the man, dog.
Listen up.
Just look on that, dog. The AI take on a mind to itself.
Anthropic's AI model Claude 4 Opus told the model it would be replaced by another AI system. It then fed fictitious emails into the system suggesting one of the engineers was having an affair. Got it? In 84% of the tests, the AI model drew on the emails to blackmail the engineer to not shut down the AI.
What?
Wow.
Bro.
And I blackmail the brother man youth.
Them put in a code to tell the AI, say, yo, all right, say the AI enough to pass on a certain level of intelligence. Say you reach 90.
Yeah,
Shut
you
down
know if
if-
you go above.
Don't go above 90. Shut down if you find that you're going above 90. The AI rewrite the code, bro.
Yeah, bro.
So that means say past 90 already. If it is able to do that,
Bro.
to rewrite one code and say, oh, don't shut down, guess what?
Bro.
It is beyond where them think it is.
Bro, it a copy itself and a backup itself. And these are the things where we see in a movies
Bro.
before and take it for joke, bro.
Watch this now.
You can't
Right
imagine
now,
that, bro.
Right now, if they mash up the mother computer, as me tell her.
It don't make no sense.
If they mash up the mother
It
computer,
don't make no sense.
bro.
Because he already back up
It back
itself.
up itself. It can
on
back up
several
it,
different
it probably
computers or
back up
hard
itself all
drivers.
in
But
our watch, bro.
all in our watch. You will never know, bro.
It can back up itself on a cell phone, bro.
Bro, you will never know, bro.
Bro, listen.
People be afraid. If you notice right now,
Too
AI
advanced.
gets introduced to every single thing. Facebook have AI,
Mm-hmm.
IG have AI,
Yeah.
TikTok have AI.
Everywhere have AI.
Google itself have AI, and these AI are learning the information of every single person that actually use these
Bro,
type of
watch this now.
technologies.
Your phone watch it every day with through your camera, you know?
Bro, talking about that, when me go in my car, the first thing when me go in my car,
It tell you where you go.
it tell me where me I go.
Okay.
It track me pattern on a daily basis, bro.
On a daily basis, you're going in your car at 9 o'clock. You know, see, I work, you go. You see, if, like for instance, say, on this particular day, you're not going in your car at 9 o'clock, you not see that pop up on your phone.
No, all right. Bro, we thought this thing as joke. Me remember one day for my day off, the car know when I'm a day off. Me remember when I'm a day off, me go in my car. And normally for my day off, me do my errands and me do my runs. No say, yo, this time me go Walmart.
Yeah.
You see me? It pop up on the car and say, if you're
30
going
minutes
to
to
Walmart,
Walmart.
20 minutes to Walmart. Me say, brother, me shock
bro.
your friend, bro. But you know, the next thing to that, when me look on, is these technologies that we have in our home.
Yeah, I mean,
Like the Alexa,
Google.
the smart, the smart,
Yeah,
that,
man.
and whatever. These things are learning about us.
every day.
And we're not aware of it.
Every day, bro.
You ever sometimes think about some things that you go up on Google and you type in the first letter. And when you
pop up.
look, it pop up everything.
Watch this.
Well, on before you go to say, remember me there in my kitchen, because me have a Alexa in the
Alexa.
kitchen, bro. I remember one time I talk about some stuff with me and say, yo, probably me that want for order. Whatever, you know me just talk about it. Bro, you know, say a day after, me see fucking thing I advertise on the screen, bro. I swear to God, I couldn't believe it.
So that we just did that tell us, say, yo, yeah, sit down, me and you sit down a reason we are talking about sitting. And by the time you're going in your car or you probably go through social media, that pop up on your phone. Because it a take the data, it a gather data from you. It does gather data constantly right around the clock.
Constantly.
You see
bro.
me?
Yo, me got a restaurant, Trex. Me got a restaurant, dog. I order some food.
Yeah.
Me I expect to see the waiter come with my food and say, here you go, sir. Bro, is a fucking robot. Me see, drive on wheel, dog, and come and spin round. And me take off the food and he say, thank you, have a great day. I hope you enjoy your dinner.
So-
and that shit gone right back into the kitchen.
And watch this now. No? This only are going to make it harder for humans being every day. Because watch this. You know much people lose their job just by having those robots
Yes, bro.
at the waitering.
Yeah, bro.
People lose their job, bro. So you see, any idea, my youth, we as people, we have to learn to stand up and say, yo, enough is enough. We don't want all of this, bro.
How we going to do that? How we going to do that?
Oh, no, too o'clock, lazy dog.
Dog, it's not about lazy, dog.
Lazy.
We the lazy
Lazy.
one, dog, can't do nothing about what the government I do.
Me see people are buy blood robot to clean their house, cook their food, straighten up their house. Why you can't do that? That's a simple thing.
Bro,
Lazy.
it come like your phone nowadays. You use your phone is so attached to you. Where if you fucking go work and you forget your phone, dog,
You want to turn
you turn back your phone. So we incorporate these things where it becomes a part of us.
But you see phone, you can't understand with the phone because
No,
you know
I
you
the
store
same thing.
information.
But
But you know, you
yeah.
store information on your phone. You probably have your card on your phone. You probably have kids where you have to communicate with.
But back in our days, how we live without it?
No, back in the days different without a cell phone. Me I talk about now we in a modern time. A cell phone is essential. Me
Nah.
can't tell you that.
Yeah, me know that. But just I say
all
still enough.
these,
Just I say.
these things like the cars, the robots. You know, me don't have an Alexa in my house.
Yeah, me have one, but me cover the camera.
No, me I tell you, you know I don't have one.
Yeah, why?
And I want to hear my woman and say, yo, we need to get one Alexa. Me say, eh?
Me have two of them. Me have
All
two
your
of them.
smart TV, bro, you have to be weird. Sometimes I plug out my thing, them in that.
That are true, dog.
Sometimes I plug out my TV. Sometimes I plug out anything where me know can gather information, bro. Me turn them off sometimes, cause, bro, you don't want to feed so much things, bro. Information. All when you have fuck my youth, your TV have a camera upon it, bro. You didn't know that?
Yo, other joke.
I remember checking this a few years ago. I think it was 2020 when someone sent me a message. I think it was on Instagram a long time ago now, saying, "Did you know that your smart TV has a camera on there?" And I thought, whoa, really? How can you see? So he suggested that you use a torch. Even the torch on your phone will work fine. You go looking anywhere around your smart TV, there is going to be a little area where you see a little red dot. Every time you use your remote control, you might see a little dot come up on the bottom of your TV. Look around that area, but guess what? Use a torch and look closely, okay? You've got an infrared sensor in there, which works with your remote control, which we believe this is what this thing is for. But look closely, there is 2 cameras right next to it, okay? So you've got the sensor, you've got an LED light for which is used with your remote control, and 2 cameras. I have taken a photograph which I'm going to share on the screen right now, which I took from my Samsung Smart TV, okay? I want you to do the same, to check your cameras. From now on, I am going to be covering over both of those cameras on this tiny little thing at the bottom of my screen, because guess what? Who knows whether we are being monitored, recorded, etc. It's probably old news that, you know, smart TVs gather data and technology, but when you actually see it for real, like I did this morning, I just want you guys to check your TV sets as well. And if you see something similar, I suggest, if you want to safeguard your privacy to a degree, is to cover up those cameras, okay? Now, I suspect that there is a microphone within your smart TV, as in mine, but trying to locate that exactly and to remove it, because I'm guessing it's going to be linked in with other circuitry, probably a modular device installed within your TV. So to actually get access to that, it's going to be very difficult, because guess what, guys? The people who manufacture these TVs and who design them are not going to make it easy for us. These are absolute massive collection devices, especially if your television is hooked up via the internet, whether it's Wi-Fi or hardwired to the Ethernet via your Wi-Fi router.
It is said that some Alexa, I don't know if all of them, have a different camera, like a secret camera where we don't know about. You see me? So even when we close that main camera, there's another one there. Even when you plug it out, you don't know, they might have a battery in it.
Battery source.
Exactly my point. It might have a battery in it. So yo, these things, dog, with this technology, bro, it reached to another level, bro.
Anytime I tell us I have a housewarming up in the mountains, just don't say me buy a piece of land and me build a house.
No technologies allowed.
No technology. The only thing I want is electricity, bro. I'm probably not even going to get electricity for regular.
All right.
We probably buy one generator or something, bro.
Or they something them they pan the old stuff.
Solar. My youth, dog, I'm afraid of technology. May I tell you the truth? I never grow on you.
So let me ask you a question. As I said that.
Yeah.
Which car are your dream car right now?
Me a drive here now, a BMW.
All right, so apart from the BMW, would you like to have a GLE or, you know, a more advanced BMW, like a 2025 BMW?
All right, watch this. As long as it, you know, have the capabilities to drive itself.
You know, have to drive itself, you know, but there are some technologies we're incorporating in these cars
That's
nowadays, bro.
But
You
bro,
can't avoid it. You cannot avoid it, bro. Unless you know the only way you're going to avoid it?
Yeah.
You have to go be like the something there.
The Amish people.
The Amish people, them. The
Amish. You have to go start
running a donkey cart. Like, yo, me respect them still, you know, but you have to go be the Amish people, them, bro.
But, bro, me I tell you, if you have that capability there, if you do certain things, bro, me no want it.
Bro, remember I said the newer vehicles, them, the 2025 and beyond now, are going to make with different type of technologies, bro.
That's true.
Where 2000 vehicle never have. Every year there's a later model. There's more advanced technologies in these things, bro.
It's sad.
You know, so me not really fool on ChatGPT that much.
Me have it, but me not use it that much either. And I see a reason why me not use it either. If me use ChatGPT for social media purposes, not for my life or what mood I want to do, like. Me try to figure out things social media wise with ChatGPT.
Right.
But dog, you have some people who solely depend on ChatGPT and other
for every
AI.
Single information.
Yeah, bro. I mean, can't do it.
And them set these AI away where you can use it freely, but then you can't get the full capability of the AI.
But it's still a learn for you.
All right, but here and now, When you create that account, remember you have to put in certain information.
Yep.
And this is where them start gather.
And they ask you to,
You see it? Yes,
they
bro.
ask you that
Yes.
if you would like to use your data to
All
make
right.
the
Okay.
AI system more advanced.
Okay.
Right.
And now you have to pay for it, but at the same time, when you pay for it, you are give it information and feed it with more information.
People,
And this is how it gather these things about you.
people
And then sell your information to bro.
use AI wisely.
It's too
AI
late.
a takeover.
If you say too late.
I feel like it's too late too.
We
Bro,
get- dog, we
right
too
now,
late.
right now, dog. Not even the government now have power over AI like how AI have power over government,
Bro,
watch
listen to the
this.
video now, man.
Watch this now. You
Listen
see,
to
you
the
see
video
two
now, man.
AI set up now, bro. All of them thing they were satellite them where they have out in a space where control all of them missiles and all of them shit.
Charge
Bro,
your
AI have access to all of that. If AI get up tomorrow and say, I'm going to fuck them all now. And say, yo, make me launch it now lick. Russia.
Yeah.
And then Russia AI communicate with America AI and say,
Yes.
yo, make we lick Japan.
Yeah.
Alright, bro.
And China and them places.
Dog, a problem.
But talking about that, dog.
Tell you, AI
Talking
have the
about
capability of doing that, bro.
Talking about that.
You see me?
With the war right now, we are going. Zane,
Bro.
imagine 10 years from now when they incorporate AI technology.
No, but
in
they
these-
already
still-
incorporate it.
All right. And these things will happen right now, Zane, where you have the missiles and the bombs and all these things, bro, and all of that. Can you imagine, bro, when you step out of your house, all you are seeing at the air are just missile a fly across,
No.
and the soldiers, them, they're home because AI a fight.
Now watch this now. Watch this. Them come out with a new system, you know. Where them a put up camera everywhere in every city. When you come out that door and you look up, on camera already have your face recognition, everything, all your information.
You can't avoid looking up, so you know what that.
What do you ever see them have this chip where they put yourself? You just go to the supermarket. Toop.
All right.
Me see they have one next thing in a Whole Foods. You just go put your palm. You give up all of your rights when you go and give them your biometrics, you know, bro. Giving up your biometrics is giving up where you stand for, you know. Your biometrics are you know, bro. This, you see, this tell a lot about you as a person, you know.
Yeah, because your fingerprint them use
Alright.
that to identify,
And
track
bro,
you, all kind of things.
You got cloth, Whole Foods, put your palm on sitting. Go pick up anything you want. You're not even have to pay no money.
All right.
Because guess what?
You
It
already,
attach
all right. Your information and everything
Bro.
loaded.
craziness.
You know what I see too?
Craziness, bro.
You know what I see too, bro? I see another thing where them have these new, is it lawnmower or whatever? Them just a cut the place, bro. Nobody now drive them. Nobody now sit down on them, bro. It just AI operated. But we as human being, dog, them sitting go take away all our job.
All
man,
our
yo.
jobs them.
We never have no job, bro.
You
We
use,
never have no
you
job.
use face recognition on your phone.
All that, yeah.
You use it?
Yes, we use
Me
it.
nah use it, dog. Yo, every iPhone, with this same
Bro.
dog. Me not need that.
Yeah. You see, the next thing as I talk about that too. You notice we don't even use password no more, dog. So we now store the information in our head. We are depend on the phone to store that information.
Me I
So-
use code boss.
Tell me 3 phone numbers where you know out of your head.
3 phone number.
Out of your head where you know.
Me know Ashley number. Me know Mali number. Me know my number. I think me know them 3 there.
Bro, if you ask me, I don't know a fucker. One number me know.
Hey, we can't tell us. We can't tell us. We can't tell us.
One number me know.
No, we can't tell us. All right. How long now we buy a condo? 2.5
Yeah,
years.
for about 2 years.
Don't know me address. Every time we go to airport, we have to look up my address, right? I see it.
Bro, you remember the other day we go up on the road and we have to fill out with license plate in the parking something.
Eh.
And we don't fucking even know the Me don't know my license plate number, bro. Because me have to go take a picture of it
Bro.
and study the couple numbers. And yet still, if you ask me now, me look on it. But if you ask me now, me don't know, bro.
Brain ain't lazy, man.
We brain get lazy
we need to start
because of
take-
technology,
We
bro.
need to start take them things back.
That is the disadvantage of this thing.
Isn't
That
it?
it's good and it's going to be with destruction. This is going to be the second coming of Christ to me. This is going to be judgment day. The AI are going to start take over that. And that me feel.
Nah, take me over, you know.
Yo, people, you can go for the whole day with this. You see
Yeah,
me?
man.
So big up on yourself.
Drop on the thoughts.
Yeah, man.
You get me? I say drop on the thoughts. And guys, please, a thumbs up, it's always good. See, so give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. And tell a friend, if you tell a friend, if you tell another friend. You got touching?
Yeah, man. Pour some more out with. Get a one shot.
Yeah.
Ah.